Hi, my name is Annie Bouchemi and I am from ᓕᓕᓆniᕐemiᒃ. 7 years ago, I made the decision to join the skilled trades and it changed my life. It led me to continue my education, build my confidence, and find a career I love. Today, I am working in ᓕᓕᓆniᕐ as an electrician. If you are thinking about joining the skilled trades, here are a few things that have helped me and might help you. Demand for trades workers is growing in Nunavut and all across Canada. There are opportunities, incentives, and funding available for women entering the skilled trades. If you like working with your hands, solving problems, and seeing the results of your work, trades could be a great fit for you. There are several different pathways into the trades. Options are open and you can choose what works best for you. Nunavut has several organizations and resources to help you prepare for an apprenticeship, apply for funding, and succeed as a tradesperson. You are not alone. There is support all along the way. Having so many career options can be overwhelming, but having someone to talk to can help you figure it out.
I hear you're interested in going into the trades.
I am, yeah.
Are you?
An academic advisor, an employment counselor, or a working tradesperson can help you understand your options, share their experience, connect you to resources, and help you plan your next steps. Women often have unique skills that help them excel in the skilled trades, like attention to detail, organization, and communication skills. These are tools that can help you stand out. Sometimes it can feel like an advantage. Trust yourself and your ability to learn. My studies and training have required me to be away from home for months at a time. I often miss my friends, my family, and my community. And the long workdays make it hard to achieve a work-life balance. Remember to make time for yourself and prioritize your mental health. Sometimes the journey can feel long and you might feel like giving up. Having support helped keep me going. Surround yourself with people who understand your journey, mentors, peers, family, and friends. Having a strong support system can help give you motivation, perspective, and confidence. When you make the decision to enter a trades training program or an apprenticeship, you are taking a big step toward building your future. Whether your goal is financial independence, contributing to your community, moving somewhere new, supporting your family, or simply challenging yourself, it is something to be proud of. Taking the first step into the trades is an investment in yourself and your future. It can open doors to a secure career, financial independence, higher education, and a job you love. Seize opportunities, advocate for yourself and your skills, and remember, you belong.